Namaskar, myself Jiten Pathak, and today I am going to explain multiplication of the matrices. In previous classes I have explained types of the matrix and properties of the matrices. So before I am going to start my video, and like and subscribe my channel. Now come to the point. What is my point? Point is multiplication of the matrices. Let's start. A matrices, suppose that A is any matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is any matrices 2, 3, 1, minus 1. What is order? 2 cross 2, and this is the 2 cross 2. If two matrices can be multiplied, if one condition is possible, if the row of the first matrices must be equal to number of elements in number of columns in elements of the column is in B in second matrices. It means matrices A and B, if the rows, this is 2 and this is also 2. If the row of the first matrices must be equal to column of the second matrices. If both are same, then multiplication is possible. Let's start. So how can you multiply A multiply B? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 2, 3, 1, minus 1. This is 2 cross 2 and this is 2 cross 2. See, 1 multiply 2 plus 2 multiply 1. 1 multiply 2 plus 2 multiply 1. This is the first element. Again, this multiply to this. 1 multiply 3 plus 2 multiply minus 1. Again, 3 multiply 2 plus 4 multiply 1. 3 multiply 2 plus 4 multiply 1. Again, 3 multiply 3. 3 multiply 3 plus 4 multiply minus 1. What is your answer? This is 2 plus 2, 4. This is 4. This is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 minus, 1. 1. This is 6 plus 4, 10. This is 9 minus 4, 5. What is order? Order is also 2 cross 2. This is our multiplication of the matrices. This is the rule how can we multiply. If order is 3 cross 3, then we can using this method and we have to find multiplication of the matrices. Next, can I erase it? Okay. If K is any constant and K is multiplied to a matrices, suppose that this is A, B, C, D, any matrices A into K. So what is value? K multiply A, KA, KB, KC and KD. This is 2 cross 2. This is another rule. If we multiply a constant number to matrices, then constant number to be multiplied in each element called multiplication of the matrices. This is the second rule. Now second, what is important rule? Important rule, multiplication of two matrices are not follow the commutative law. This is first rule, multiplication of two matrices are not follow the commutative law. So what is meaning? Meaning means AB is not equal to BA. This is the rule. AB is not equal to BA. Let's prove. This is the important rule of the multiplication of the matrices. So now A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to 1, 0, 2, 1. Multiply AB. 1 multiply 1, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Again 1 multiply 0 plus 2 multiply 1. 3 multiply 1 plus 4 multiply 2. 3 multiply 0 plus 4 multiply 1. Order 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. This is also 2 cross 2. This is 1 plus 4, 5. This is 0, this is 2. 3 plus 8, 11. This is 0 plus 4, this is 4. This is AB. Again we multiply BA, find BA. Again this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 1, 0, sorry, B first, this is BA, B is 1, 0, this is 2, 1, and this is A, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 multiply 1 plus 0 multiply 3. Again this multiply to this. 1 multiply 2 plus 0 multiply 2. Sorry, 4. Again 2 multiply to this. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3. This multiply to this. 2 multiply 2 plus 1 multiply 4. What is value? 1 plus 0, it means 1. 2 plus 0, yani 2. 2 plus 3, this is 5. And 2 plus 4, 6. This is BA. AB is this, BA is this. Also 2 cross 2. We can say AB is not equal to BA. It means multiplication of the two matrices are not follow the commutative law. Okay, next वीडियो में हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे. नमस्कार.